Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your YouTube language and location. It's pretty simple. So you want to come to youtube.com and log in into your YouTube account. So once you log in into your YouTube account, at the top right corner you're going to see your channel logo. Once you see your channel logo, click on it. Once you click on it, at the bottom you're going to see these two options, language and location. Click on language and it's going to show you the list of language. You can choose whichever language you want. I will just go for English UK. And your page is going to reload, and after your page reloads, your language will be changed. Now to change your location, it's pretty simple. Click on the logo again at the top right corner, but this time go on where it says location and choose the location you want. So I will go for US, so I'm just going to search for USA now. As you guys can see, it shows me United States. I will choose it and my page will load for some time and my location will be changed. So that's how you guys can change your location on YouTube. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.